Hello and welcome to PA Academy. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to draw a given circle to touch an arc and a given straight line. So this is what I mean. So when you have an arc like this and a straight line and you're asked to draw a circle, and the circle you're asked to draw, you have been given a radius of the circle such that the circle will touch this arc and it will also touch the straight line. We'll be having something like this. So how do you go about it in this video? So that's what I'm going to be showing you in this video. So before we get into this video, if you're here to subscribe to PA Academy, please click on the subscribe button and the little bell icon beside the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. Alright, thank you very much if you have just subscribed. So if you are here to, please click on the subscribe button. It means a lot to this channel. Alright, thank you very much. So it's important for me to also say that this is example 2. This is another example. So the example 1, I've done an example 1. I'm going to be talking about it at the end of this video. But let's just still on this video. So the first thing I want to draw is the arc. So I'm going to be using a radius of, okay, so let me write it here, arc radius. Arc radius. So that will be capital R. So let me use 10 centimeter as the arc radius. So pay attention to everything we are going to be doing. So now with my compass, I want to measure 10 centimeter. So 10 centimeter is same as 100 millimeter. So this is 10 centimeter. Okay. So I decided to show you how I'll be drawing the arc so that I don't want to skip any step or do any step behind the camera. So here is the arc with a radius of 10 centimeter. So this is the center. So we already have our arc. So the next thing I want to draw is to draw the straight line. So that is, let's call this point A and then point B. So alright, so we already have our straight line. Now the circle we want to draw, let's draw a circle with a radius of 2 centimeter. So let me write it as circle radius. That will be small r. Let's give it 2 centimeter. So your units might be different, but the process is the same thing. Is the same thing. So let me call this line A and then B. Then from this point of this arc to this point, let me call it C. So that means AC. So what we are going to do next is, since the circle that we want to draw, that means we are going to be drawing a circle here with a radius of 2 centimeters, such that the circle will touch this arc and will also touch this straight line. So what we are going to do is to draw a line that is parallel to line AB with a radius of 2 centimeters, which is the radius of the circle that we want to draw on this part. So to do that, we are just going to apply this principle of drawing a parallel line. I have done a video on that, on how to draw a line parallel to a given straight line. So I'll just pick my compass. So that video is, if you check the playlist on technical drawing or the description of this video, you'll find it there. So now I've measured the 2 centimeter. So on line AB, I'll draw an arc. So on another point, I'll draw an arc. And as you progress, I'm going to be telling you why I'm drawing this parallel line. So I'll draw a line from the top of the arc. So that line represents the parallel line. So that means the distance from here to here is 2 centimeter. That 2 centimeter, don't forget, is the radius of the circle that we are going to be drawing here. So also we are going to be drawing an arc. And this time around, the arc that we are going to be drawing, let me also note this. So this here, the distance from here to the arc is 10 centimeter, which is capital R. That is the arc radius, 10 centimeter. Okay, all right, 10 centimeter. So now I'm going to draw another arc of 10 centimeter. This 10 centimeter plus 2 centimeter of 12 centimeter from this same point. That is this radius of the arc plus the radius of the circle that we are going to be drawing. So I'm going to be using the addition, that is 12 centimeter, to draw another arc from this same point. So I'll bring back my compass and my ruler and measure 12 centimeter. Okay. So from this same point where I drew the first arc with a radius of 10 centimeter, so now I'm working with a radius of 12 centimeter. I'm going to draw an arc. So the arc will be faint. To be faint, I hope you can see it. Okay. So that means from this point to the arc that I've just drawn, so for illustration purpose, I want to write it on it. So that means this is R plus R. That means capital R plus small r. That is 12 centimeter. Okay. All right. So this is the arc. Now pay attention to where this arc I've just drawn, the one with a radius of 12 centimeter, and the parallel line meets. So they are meeting at this point. So this point where they meet represents the center of the circle that we are going to be drawing. This particular point, the point where this arc and the parallel line meet. So that is the reason why we have to draw a line that is parallel, and then we have to draw this arc. So now I'll bring back my compass and measure 2 centimeter. So I already have my 2 centimeter. So I'll place it at this point, and then from there I'll draw my circle. Alright, so now you can see we already have our circle. So with this now we've been able to have a circle to touch a circle of a given radius. Now the radius is 2 centimeter to touch the arc and a given straight line. So this is how you go about it. So irrespective of the length that you are using, maybe your own arc radius is different or your circle radius is different, but just follow the same principle. So once you want to draw this arc here to get the center, you just add the two radius together and then you use it to draw the arc. So that is it. Then talking about in the part one, the example I did in the part one is, now you can see this one is something like this. For this particular example, we are having something like this. Okay, let me put it at the top. So we are having something like this, and then we have our circle here. But in the part one, what we did was something like this, where the arc is in this direction, and then we are having a circle like this. So this particular video will be appearing somewhere here towards the end of the video. So once you click on it, you'll be taken to the video, or you check the description of this video, you'll find that example one in the description of this video. So that is it for this video. If you have any question or any comments for me, just leave them in the comment section below. If you are yet to subscribe to PA Academy, okay, so this is a clearer view of what we've just done. So if you are yet to subscribe to PA Academy, kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. Also make sure you check out our website, paacademy.co. That is paacademy.co. Alright, so with that guys, I'll see you all in another video. Thank you very much.